Okay, let us continue. Who should watch this video? The method that we will share is suitable for anyone who wants to make money online from zero, and also suitable for the YouTuber with less than 4,000 hours watching time and less than 1,000 subscribers, and also for YouTuber who is unable to monetize their channel using YouTube partner program due to any reasons. Also suitable for anyone who wants to work from home and anyone who want to earn extra income. Without further ado, let us see the details. Hi, my name is Faizi. Thanks for watching our video. Today I will share with you about how to make money online. I'm not selling any how to make money online course because I'm not a guru. I just want to share with you the proven method that I know. Before we get started, please subscribe, like and share our channel so you will always get an update from us. Thank you and keep watching. These are the 6 ways that you can monetize your channel without 4,000 hours watching time and without 1,000 subscribers. Okay, number 6 is sponsorship. Sponsorship means that you will get sponsored from someone or some companies. The advantage is you can do business with several sponsors for all your videos. But the disadvantage is you need to have more than 100,000 subscribers in order to get trust from them. Okay, number 5 is merch. Okay, the advantage for merch is you will have your own brand and you will have your own product. The disadvantage is you need to have more than 100,000 subscribers to make more money, and the profit for each single product is very small. Okay, number 4 is membership. Membership, you can make money immediately, but the disadvantage is you need to have more than 100,000 subscribers to make more money, and it is difficult to get paid members, especially for the small channel. So number 4, 5 and 6 is not really suitable for small channels or new channel. Okay, number 3 is service and consultation. Service and consultation, you can make money immediately, but you need to have at least 10,000 subscribers to make money. So this is also not really suitable for the new channel and the small YouTuber. Okay, number 2 is affiliate product. Affiliate product, you can make money immediately and you don't have to create your own product. You will use someone else's product. The disadvantage is you need to make sure that the product is really top in your niche, and the product must have a good sales page in order to convert the sales into a sales. So affiliate product, if it is digital, you can make more money. Okay, number 1 is the most easiest way for the small channel or new YouTubers. It is sharing free digital product using 3 simple steps. This one you can make money immediately because it is free sharing and it is easy to implement, and also it is only sharing the digital product, and there is a digital library with more than 100 digital products that you can share. This one I will explain in details in this video, so you need to keep watching this video. And the disadvantage is if you want to make more money, you need to share more digital products in each video. So if you have more products, you will make more money. So number 1 is the most easiest way for the new YouTuber, the small channel, the small YouTubers. So for me, I recommend you to try number 1. So if you want to know how you can implement or you can use this method, so keep watching this video. I will explain in details with the case study. Okay, now we will see the 3 simple steps that you need to follow. Step number 1 is you need to have the targeted niche ebook or video. And step number 2, you need to generate the tracking URL for that ebook or video. And And step number 3 is you need to share the generated URL at any communities or group of discussion. So if you are a YouTuber, you can share the link, URL at your video description. So each video description you will share the link, or at the comment section which you picked. So this is the 3 simple steps that you need to follow. So we will go in details.